So, you want to play Minecraft Java with your friends but you don't want to pay for a server? Don't worry, I got you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own free Minecraft server using freemcserver.net step by step with no downloads and no confusion. This will be very simple, so yeah, let's get into it. So what you first want to do is go to this website I've linked, first link in the description. It is the link to the official Minecraft server hosting platform, freemcserver.net, and I have to warn you, you can't have ad blockers or anything, so which is why I'm doing this on the Google Chrome browser. I tried using this on Brave, I don't know about other ones, but it doesn't work. You're gonna have to take the ads. So yeah, that's just one downside of using this. So when you're here, click on get your free MC server now, and then you're gonna have to create an account. So you're gonna have to choose a username, a password, confirm the password, and your email. Once you've done that, read the terms and service, click on you agree, and register. So yeah, I made one. I want to log in now. So when you create your account, it will tell you to confirm your email. You will get an email, so just go and confirm it. I want to confirm real quick on my phone. So once you've done that, just refresh. Obviously it will tell you things to not get banned, because you can get banned on this. Read the terms and service if you don't know, and yeah, that's it. When you're here, you can create only one server. This is one downside to this. Each account can create one server, so if you and your friends want to create multiple servers or like Minecraft worlds, each of you are going to have to like obviously watch this video and create a server based on that. I'll show you how to create a server real quick. You just click on create a server. So when you click on create a server, you're going to have to create a name. Let's call it testing. Next, choose your location. There's only these two available. I think you guys will have the same ones available as well. Just choose the one that's closest to you. For me, I think it's North America. Here you can choose vanilla Minecraft. You can add your mods, you can add plugins, bedrock, or other. I'm just gonna do classic vanilla. If you want an actual vanilla or a snapshot, I'm just gonna go normal vanilla. What version of Minecraft you want? I'll just go for the latest release. Click on next. I'll also click no there, and click on create my server. Creating the server will take some time. Now it will refresh and it will give you the server. So here you have your server ready to go. Here we have the dashboard. This will use up some like computer resources, so if you have a really good computer, this will be fine. This won't be a problem. Even if you have a bad computer, like I don't have a good computer, I just have a laptop, so yeah, it runs fine. It will tell you how much percent of CPU is being used, how much memory is being used. It will tell you your server IP, and it will tell you the server control. So real quick, to actually start the server, you're gonna have to renew it. Now renewing takes every 4 hours. So after 4 hours, if you're still playing the server will stop, and you're gonna have to renew it every 4 hours. It's not a problem personally. I don't think it should be a problem for you guys. So yep, it should be fine. It's not a 24/7 server. That's the downside. So to start, just click on start. And yeah, if you scroll down, it'll tell you more information, such as if it's active right now, what kind of variant it is, or version, if it's Java and whatnot. If there's no player in the actual world after this timer, then it will stop running and the actual server expires in here. Don't worry, you can just click on renew, this renew button every time after this thing finishes if you want to keep it off running for a while. So if I scroll back up, here's the stats it's using. Not too bad. It will tell you the server is starting. To actually share the server, what I do is I would go to a server IP, go to the very bottom, copy that one, and then I'll send that to my friends, and then they can play the games. So when you're in Java Edition, to actually join the world, click on multiplayer, direct connection, and paste in the server address, and click on join server. And yeah, once you copy any of these codes, it should work. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, it will be greatly appreciated. Subscribe if you're new, and comment down below any issues you're having or any tutorials you want to see in the future. Other than that, it's been me, and I'm out.